Welcome back. Now see, we are using like a VMware directly, right? Like a VMware, we need to start VMware and we need to connect with this one. You can see here, this is little painful, means it is difficult to do any scripts, like you want to execute some scripts and all those things. It will take some difficulty. For that reason, we have a tool called putty. Okay, putty we can call, or you can use any tools like mputty. Also we have mputty, we can do that. This is beneficial for multiple terminals we can connect. Okay, now how we can able to connect and what are the issues we'll face, I'll show you now. So this is the thing, right? First of all, you want to edit some files and all those things, right? For that reason, we have to install vim tools, like a vi editor tools. We have to sudo apt install vim -y. It will own prompt directly. You can see here. So it is asking for y. Okay, that is downloaded from the Ubuntu website and it is downloaded. Now you can open any vi. Okay, and done. Screen also not visible, you have to maximize and all those things. Okay, fine. Now you can use text insert. You can write any data. This is Linux video, like this. You can save and you can do that one thing. Okay, now I want to identify IP. We have seen, right, host name. This is easy method. Now I want to see detailed. In this case, if config, you have to give. See, it is asking for install network tools. Okay, for that you sudo apt install net tools. See, it is asking, it has to prompt. Okay, it is without prompting, it is been. Okay, fine. And now if config, you can see the IP address. Okay, fine. I want to copy this, copy, and I can put it here. Already I copied, but anyhow again I am showing server IP. Yes, sorry. See, it is not copying, right? It is not copying this one also. For that reason, what we need to do, we have to install some VM tools. Okay, I have this one. We have to see this one. For copying also it won't work, I think so. It won't copy paste. See, it is not copying pasting. This is only this machine it is copying. For that reason, if you install the tools, okay, clear, open VM tools desktop, apt install open VM tools desktop -y. See, permission denied. Why? Because of I am not a root user, right? For that reason, you can use sudo. Now it has been. Now it will copy. See, screen also it has been enlarged. Now fine. Now IP, copy this. Okay, one is not copied, no problem. See, it is not copied. It will copy. Okay, it will copy. Once everything is set, sometimes you have to reboot that, it will copy. Now what is the IP address of this? Is the IP address, right? You try to connect. you try to connect to this one, reconnect. Access denied, it is coming. Okay, now what is why can you ping it from your local laptop? Ping 192.168.233.2. okay, 128. yeah, it's pinging, but why it is not connecting? Pinging means it is pinging, it is getting reply. For that reason, what you have to do is you have to install one more SSH. okay, you have to install SSH packages for that. I'll show you clear. apt sudo you have to give, or you can use like this also, sudo -root. okay, now it's not required to give sudo. apt install open SSH. I forgot, 1 minute, let me open SSH server -y, small piece of files only. Fine, right? Now try to reconnect. One 92 and 68 and 232 128. Now it's not copied. Let me test it in putty first. okay, let it be. I'll show the problems. Putty right, 192 168 232. This will give correct answer. 232 128. yeah, it's connected. See here, we need to set properly. What is this? Root password. yeah, it's connected. If you want to increase, you can increase the sizes also. You can go here and you can change the appearance. You can change to fine. Now you can see whatever you want. This is the, but the thing is, you cannot open one more terminal. I want to execute 2-3 machines, right? I want to spin up with some cluster or something like. In this case, this is useful. Let me try again. First we will set the properties. okay, and SSH, you have to give SSH. okay, port default it will take it. Password also, see, a lot of benefits is there here. Password and port number, you can give the server name also, Ubuntu 24 version. I can give it. okay, now connect. It's not giving some problem. Why? Because of we have to set the port number also. Verify here what is the port number it is using. Open a new session. Telnet SSH right? Port number 22, you can give this one. SSH, right? Now it will connect. Even though it's not connecting, why? This type of issues we have to fix it. Okay, let me go here, properties, port number, okay, display, root user, what I have given, yeah, something is the issue, but the thing is putty we can able to connect. Okay, give me some time, I'll tell you. It is not connecting, right? Putty it is connecting, but mputty it is not connecting. What I will do is go here, download this one, portable also okay, but download this one, installation package. Okay, it is downloaded, and try to install for all users. C drive, you can change it or no problem, let it be mputty, fine, install it. Okay, finish. Now what you can do is, where is this? Yeah, what is the IP address? It has been locked. Now I'm copying. Previously it is not copied, right? Now I'm copying. It will copy. Go here. You have to update the putty session. Putty location. mputty, right? It is saying. Let me go here. Yeah, this is the thing. exe. Now click on OK. Now try to connect. Delete this. I am deleting. Okay, or I can edit. Go here. I will go with a new session. Go here. Server name Ubuntu 24. Your wish, whatever you want to give, and SSH. Display name, right? Pass user is this one. Password, fine, and IP address. It's not this one. You have to give IP address. Yeah, this one. See, now it is copying. Okay, this one, right? Now, yeah, it is connected. Now it is connected. It will connect. Password, done. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. Like this, you can open n number of terminals. I'll show you in coming videos. We'll going to install any database. Okay, thank you.